Next-level camping gadgets you must see. Camping has come a long way from just a tent and a campfire. With modern innovations, you can now enjoy the great outdoors without sacrificing comfort, safety, or convenience. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or new to camping, there are next-level gadgets that can transform your outdoor experience. From portable solar-powered chargers to all-in-one cooking gear and weatherproof shelters, these ingenious tools make camping easier and more enjoyable. Teslong TTS 260. The Teslong TTS 260 is a camping gadget that will completely revolutionize the way you navigate your adventures. This powerful digital inspection camera is built for tough outdoor conditions and provides incredible visibility in tight or hard-to-reach places. Whether you're exploring dark caves, inspecting your campsite for critters, or checking out your gear for wear and tear, the Teslong TTS 260 gives you an advanced high-definition look at every detail. Its flexible, waterproof cable and high-resolution camera make it the perfect tool for any outdoor enthusiast who likes to explore and examine nature up close. Not only does the Teslong TTS 260 offer crystal-clear visuals, but it also comes with a built-in LED light that can illuminate even the darkest areas. BioLite Camp Stove 2. The BioLite Camp Stove 2 is a game-changer for campers who want to combine cooking with technology. This innovative camping stove allows you to cook your meals using only wood as fuel while simultaneously charging your devices with the energy generated from the fire. The stove's unique thermoelectric design converts heat into electricity, which can be used to power a built-in USB charger for your phone, flashlight, or other small gadgets. It's eco-friendly and efficient, giving you the ability to cook and charge without relying on traditional fuel sources. But the BioLite Camp Stove 2 is more than just a power source. Its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to pack and carry, and its efficient combustion system ensures a smoke-free fire that's perfect for cooking. Earth Traveler. The Earth Traveler is not just a camping gadget. It's a fully mobile, lightweight camper designed to bring comfort to the wildest of terrains. Built from ultralight materials like carbon fiber, this futuristic camper is designed to be easily towed by even small vehicles, providing the ultimate camping experience without the need for a heavy-duty truck. With enough room for up to 4 people, the Earth Traveler offers a cozy yet spacious environment for camping enthusiasts who want to elevate their outdoor adventures. What makes the Earth Traveler truly next level is its innovative design, which can expand to create extra sleeping space or compact for easy travel. ZenBivy Light Pillow. When it comes to camping, comfort is key, and the ZenBivy Light Pillow delivers that comfort in spades. This ultralight, inflatable pillow is designed for serious campers who want to enjoy a good night's sleep without sacrificing space in their pack. It's made from soft, durable materials that feel great against your skin and can be adjusted to your preferred firmness. Whether you're sleeping under the stars or in a tent, the ZenBivy Light Pillow ensures you wake up feeling refreshed and ready for the day's adventure. The ZenBivy Light Pillow's compact size is what makes it such an essential gadget for camping. Soda Windmaster Portable Stove. The Soda Windmaster Portable Stove is designed for campers who need a reliable cooking source in windy conditions. Its unique burner design protects the flame from strong gusts, ensuring consistent heat no matter what the weather throws at you. Lightweight and easy to use, the Windmaster is ideal for backpackers and campers who need a stove that won't let them down when the wind picks up. It's also incredibly fuel efficient, making it perfect for long trips where conserving gas is crucial. In addition to its wind resistance, the Soda Windmaster comes with a 4-flex pot support that can hold larger pots, making it versatile for different types of meals. Scrub-A-Wash Bag. The Scrub-A-Wash Bag is an innovative solution for campers who want to stay clean on the go. This portable washing machine is perfect for washing clothes in the wild, using just a small amount of water and a few drops of detergent. Simply fill the bag with water, add your clothes and soap, and scrub the bag for a few minutes. The built-in washboard makes it easy to get your clothes clean, no matter where you are. After a quick rinse, your clothes are fresh and ready to dry. One of the biggest challenges of camping is dealing with dirty clothes, but the Scrub-A-Wash Bag eliminates that problem. It's lightweight, compact, and incredibly easy to use, making it a must-have gadget for long camping trips where laundry facilities aren't available. Cocoon Tree. The Cocoon Tree takes camping to new heights, literally. This spherical, hanging tent is designed to be suspended from trees, offering a unique and elevated camping experience. Made from durable materials and equipped with comfortable bedding, The cocoon tree allows you to sleep among the trees while being safely secured above the ground. It's perfect for campers who want a different perspective on the outdoors, offering stunning views and a peaceful retreat high above the forest floor. Setting up the cocoon tree is surprisingly simple, and once you're inside, you'll feel like you're in a cozy floating treehouse. Jackery Power Station. When it comes to portable power, the Jackery Power Station is the ultimate camping gadget. This portable power station is perfect for charging your devices, running small appliances, or even powering lights during your camping trip. With multiple ports including USB, AC, and DC, you can charge everything from your phone to your laptop, ensuring you stay connected even when you're far from civilization. The Jackery Power Station is solar compatible, allowing you to recharge it using solar panels, making it an eco-friendly solution for powering your gadgets off the grid. Nomad Grills. For campers who love to cook outdoors, Nomad Grills offers a portable grilling solution that doesn't compromise on flavor or performance. This compact, foldable grill is designed to be easy to transport while still offering plenty of space to cook a variety of meals. Made from high-quality materials, the Nomad Grill is built to withstand the elements, making it perfect for any camping trip. Whether you're grilling burgers, vegetables, or fish, this portable grill ensures you can enjoy delicious meals no matter where you set up camp. The beauty of the Nomad Grill lies in its simplicity and efficiency. It's easy to set up, heats up quickly, and provides even heat distribution for perfectly cooked meals. When you're done grilling, it folds down into a compact size for easy storage. Nemo Stargaze. The Nemo Stargaze is not your average camping chair. It's a reclining, swinging chair designed to let you sit back and enjoy the beauty of the outdoors in total comfort. With its suspended design, the Nemo Stargaze allows you to gently rock back and forth while you relax. It's perfect for stargazing, reading, or simply taking in the sights and sounds of nature. The chair is lightweight and easy to pack, making it an excellent addition to your camping gear. One of the standout features of the Nemo Stargaze is its ability to recline, allowing you to find the perfect position for maximum comfort. Cine Guardian Lamp. The Cine Guardian Lamp is a versatile, multifunctional light that's perfect for any camping trip. This portable lamp offers powerful illumination, ensuring your campsite is well lit even in the darkest conditions. It features multiple light modes including a flashlight, lantern, and emergency strobe, making it suitable for various outdoor activities. The Cine Guardian lamp is rechargeable, providing hours of light on a single charge, and its compact design makes it easy to carry with you wherever you go. What sets the Cine Guardian lamp apart is its durability and functionality. It's water-resistant, impact-resistant, and built to withstand the rigors of outdoor life. Whether you're setting up camp after dark, hiking at night, or need emergency lighting, this lamp has you covered. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.